Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily sign up for 4T Trader. To sign up for 4T Trader, first of all, launch open the 4T Trader application on your smartphone and make sure you're inside this welcome screen. From the page, go ahead and tap on Sign Up, or you can also start by creating a demo account. I'm just gonna tap on Sign Up here. Once you tap Sign Up, on the next page, you'll need to fill in some of your details such as your first name, last name, date of birth, email, create a password, and enter your phone number. Let's go ahead and fill that first. Here, I'm just gonna type in my name, the last name, date of birth, and in the email tab, go ahead and type in one of your valid email address. After doing so, in the password field, enter a strong password matching the criteria given below. Now, enter a phone number on the next page after selecting your country code, and finally click Submit. On the next page, you'll need to go ahead and verify your email. Check your email inbox and you'll receive a 5-digit security code inside it. Open the email from 4T and copy the code inside it. Get back to the 4T Trader app and paste in the code or type it in manually. Once you do that, click Verify and your email address is now verified. Click the next button to complete the registration. Now you'll need to fill in some of your information such as your personal information, financial information, trading information, and so on. Go ahead and enter all of the needed details on the screen. Now on the next page, go ahead and enter your employment information. Now enter some trading experience information. Agree to all the terms and conditions on the next page and click Submit. After filling in all of the information, you'll also need to go ahead and complete your document verification. Upload your passport photocopy or your ID card, and then upload your address verification as well. Go ahead and upload your ID card. Upload your front and the back side as shown on the screen. After filling in all of the details, click Submit, or you can also upload your document later by tapping on Upload Later at the bottom. Now, wait for some time. Your approval is pending. Once your approval is completed and once approved, you can log into your account, explore the dashboard, switch to demo mode, or start learning the platform. So that is how you easily sign up for 4T Trader. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.